Testnet is basically a clone of the blockchain used for development and, you guessed it, testing. Testnet uses a test version of the token so that devs or artists can make sure that things are perfect before spending money or putting something on the blockchain forever. Even if you're not a dev, it's an amazing tool to practice minting an NFT. It's also a required step in the Manifold contract minting process. To use Testnet, first you're going to want to add the test network to your wallet. This tutorial will be focusing on Rinkeby Testnet. Right now, this is what all of the platforms and Manifold are using. However, after the ETH merge, there will be no more Rinkeby, so stay tuned. For now, we're going to learn how to use Rinkeby, so start by going to your wallet. Click on this drop-down at the top, which likely says Ethereum Mainnet. Yours might already have Rinkeby as an option, but if not, it's not a big deal. Click Show/Hide Test Networks. MetaMask should bring you directly to this screen. The first option, confirm that it says Show Test Networks, and just click this little toggle to turn them on. It will turn blue and say on. Now when you go to select the network, you'll see the default testnets as options. Scroll down to Rinkeby and click it. Hit X, and you're now using Rinkeby. Congrats, you're on Testnet. One more step, you're gonna need Rinkeby ETH. Now, Test ETH has absolutely zero value. You cannot trade it for regular ETH. You get Test ETH from something called a faucet. There are a few options and they all have limits. Occasionally they will go down, in which case you can try another one. A pretty reliable one is rinkebyfaucet.com. Feel free to type in this URL yourself. This one sends you 0.1 ETH a day, which is more than sufficient for either deploying a Manifold contract or playing around on OpenSea or Rarible. All you do is put your address in. Your testnet address will be the exact same address that you use on mainnet. Then hit Send Me ETH. And that's all you need to do to be ready to use Rinkeby Testnet.